Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS IoT PE8000G. So friend, ASUS IoT has announced the PE8000G at Embedded World 2024, a powerful edge AI computer that supports multiple GPU cards for high performance. And friend, with its advanced architecture, it excels at running multiple neural network modules seamlessly in real time and represent a significant leap forward in HAI computing. With its robust design, exceptional performance, and wide range of features, and the series is poised to revolutionize AI-driven application across multiple industries, elevating HAI computing to new heights and enabling organizations to tackle mission critical tasks with confidence and to achieve unprecedented level of productivity and innovation. And friend, it can support two graphics cards that each draws up to 450 watts, enabling redundancy, efficient high-throughput computing, seamless real-time AI interfacing, and accelerated computing at the edge. And it is able to handle 848-volt DC input range and offers built-in ignition, power control, and monitoring. And it is flexible for power option in diverse deployment scenarios. And it is engineered to adhere to existing MIL STD 810H military specification for resistance to vibration and jointing. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.